We are back at the Opera House, and this time we're going inside.
So you can turn me up, turn me down, or turn me off altogether if you'd like to. I'm not going to take any photos.
Let's go for a sunset walk in the park in Sydney. Guys, this is so crazy. This park is so big and there are so many people running, going with inline skates, with race bikes, with horses. It's so cool. Feels like the whole city is in movement. Really cool to experience this here in Sydney.
The door is open. Please wait for the door to close before attempting to lock the door. The door is now open.
Good morning from Centennial Park in Sydney. Peter and I just went for a morning walk and it's just so cool to see how active all the people of Sydney is. Like it feels everyone is going for a run, walk, or even riding their horses, yeah. So yesterday we've been to Sydney Opera House and we did a tour which was really interesting, and actually it's a sad story about the opera house.
Because the Danish architect started the project and was like very innovative and with like the shells and the sails, and then the government changed and they had different interests, so he had to leave his job and leave the country, and then he never came back.
They quit him, so he left Australia and he never came back, even when the opera house was finished after, I think it took like 70 years or so to build it.
16 years.
Then the government changed again and they really wanted to connect with the architect again, so they tried to talk to him, and eventually he sent his son.
The son came and took a lot of photos, and then they redid some parts of the building without him coming to the country, which is very interesting.
Then the Opera House got part of the UNESCO World Heritage, and after a year of that, the architect died. So overall, the tour was pretty interesting. Not only that we got to know the history of the Opera House, but we could also see like a concert hall where they prepared for the show in the evening, and 2 theaters where they just like did the setup for the show. There was a show going on like in the concert hall, so we couldn't see that, but maybe next time.
After we finish our morning walk, we have a chilled breakfast and then we pack up and go to the airport to fly back to Bali.
But first we had to get a carry-on because we bought so much food
And coffee.
to bring back home with us.
Good.
Yeah. I don't know. Isn't this too big?
Nadia's strategy when she's being indecisive: keep looking at stuff she doesn't really need. Finally. You're doing good.
Yeah. And apply for new class.
Look who we met! It's us! The race!
Years ago, I think it was like during COVID, we saw this really nice place in a Netflix documentary. And well, that's it. But we need to tell you something.